Hey guys, it's Kim and I have a cleaning video for you, the first in several months, and I am doing a power hour. I have an hour before my girls wake up from their nap and I need to get this whole place cleaned up. This is my daughter's free access cupboard, so she loves to go in there and pull everything out. And this basket is full of laundry and things I've picked up around the house that need to go upstairs when the girls wake up. And apparently my daughter is not sleeping. So now I'm making cloth wipe solution. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that I cloth diaper my daughter. I found I had been using disposable wipes a lot lately, and Lulu Do, a cloth diapering company, sent me this wipe solution, so it's really given me the push to switch back over to cloth wipes, and I'm even giving these wipes a try as an alternative to toilet paper for myself. Alright, the last thing to do is put away the laundry. I didn't show this on film, but here is my closet and dresser, and make sure you click the link below to see my closet organization video. Everything I wanted done in 1 hour. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more of this kind of video from me, you leave a comment below and let me know. And like always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.